The tongue slide, push the tip of the tongue against the roof of your mouth, aka the hard palate, and slide the tongue backward. Repeat 20 times. The roof smoosh, suck the tongue upward, pressing the entire tongue against flush with the palate. Repeat 20 times. Tongue carpet, force the underside of the tongue against the floor of the mouth while keeping the tip of the tongue in contact with the bottom front teeth. Repeat 20 times. Say, as you do for the doctor when she inspects your throat, lift the soft palate, the back of the roof of your mouth, and uvula. Repeat 20 times. The cheek push, wash your hands and then insert your right index finger into your mouth, pressing the inside of your finger against the length of your left cheek. Engage your cheek muscle and return the pressure against your finger. Repeat 10 times. Switch sides, repeat 10 times. Chew evenly. Whenever you're eating, remember to alternate the side of your mouth that you chew and swallow food with.